Business people in Cambodia have said the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Trade Deal and the Cambodia-China Free Trade Agreement have provided a lot of benefits to both business people and consumers.
Both the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement and Cambodia-China Free Trade Agreement has provided benefit to both merchant and consumer or user in Cambodia. Under this agreement, we have imported Jade brand from China to sell in Cambodia with a competitive price.
A lot of product in Cambodia can export to China with free tax, and a lot of good product made in China can export to Cambodia with low custom tax too. Because RCEP, Cambodia can get a much cheaper product from China. I saw the RCEP it brings more and more benefit for both countries. Yeah.
Both the RCEP and the CCFTA entered into force on January 1st, 2022. The RCEP comprises 15 Asia-Pacific countries, including 10 ASEAN member countries and their 5 trading partners, namely China, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and New Zealand.